Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a very strange looking character from Roblox. It's the Scary Larry. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this is a very funny looking character. So to begin, we're going to start out by drawing the eyes first. It's just going to be 2 curves kind of going up. Okay, so that's going to be the top of the eyelid and also the, I guess, part of the mask. So after those 2 lines, just come down, just draw a little curve. That's going to be the eye shape. And then on the inside here, I'm just going to finish up the eyeball, just add 2 little dots on the center. Okay, and then from here, it gets a little bit tricky. We're going to draw in part of the hat first. So right above this eye, just going to draw 1 line across. And then on this side here, I'm just going to come down. This is going to be the side of the face. And then same thing here. I'm just gonna stop right there first, and then now we can finish up the mask because the mask is kind of behind the hat. Okay, so then for the eye mask, just right over the eye, 1 curve all the way to the side. Come back to the center, you can make a little dot here. Just curve around the eye, just go up. And then on this side right here, it's gonna end a little bit short. This is going to be tucked in right underneath the hat. Alright, and then from here, let's go ahead and finish up the hat. So right on this line right here, I'm just going to extend it out. Give it a slight curve on this side, just curve it down. Okay, just go up. And then the same line here, just follow it all the way across. Okay, and then on the bottom right here, in this corner, just curve and tuck it right behind the head. Alright, and then for the top of the hat right here, just come out. Here's the side of the face, just come out. Make 2 little dots, and this is gonna be one big dome shape here. Yeah, very strange looking hat. Okay, and then from here, we gotta draw in the mustache first. So come to the center here, just come down. Just draw a little happy face like this first. I know it looks really weird right now. And then from this corner here, I'm gonna curve down, just curve. Same thing on this side. And now I'm gonna come down. It's got a really long mustache. And just kind of taper in a little bit so it's a lot skinnier on the bottom. Go on this side here, I'm gonna curve up. And now whatever space you have here, I'm just gonna connect this. So start right here, nice and sharp. Just curve it around and just connect to this. Okay, and then once we have this mustache right here, now we can draw in the mouth, which is just gonna be right in here. Again, another happy face. A little bit steeper here, that's gonna give us the mouth shape. And if you want to add in a little bit more detail to the mustache, just gonna add a couple of lines right here just to show the strands. Just kind of follow the flow. Okay, and then from here, just kind of curve in, slant in, and that'll give us the head shape. Okay, so now let's draw on the body. Here's the shoulder. I'll just come out slightly. Just kind of go down, give a slight curve going in, and if your beard is in the way, just kind of go right behind it. Okay, and then come in. Leave a little bit of a gap there, right in the center. So this is gonna be the coat. So just go up. Okay, and then let's see, let's draw in the arms right now. So come to the side here, we'll flare out. This is gonna be the sleeve, and then slant in, and this is gonna be his armpit right here. Okay, so now that we have the shape of the clothing here, let's go ahead and finish up the details here. On the inside, just draw one line. This is gonna be his belt. And then it's got a little collar right here. So I'm just gonna slant in one line and then go out and then come in toward the center. So it's gonna go right behind the beard. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish up the legs, and then we'll come back up and draw his arms because he's gonna be holding a little crowbar here. Okay, so for his legs, right in the center, come down, make a little mark. Just slant up. Now from the outside right here, just come down. On the inside, just kind of pinch it in. So this is gonna be his knee. Okay, so his legs are pretty simple, it's pretty straight. So we're gonna come down now for the lower leg. Just close it with a slight curve going up. So come down. And then for the shoe, we just continue this down like a little dome shape. Come out. And then just close it off. Alright, so let's go ahead and go back up and finish up the arms. We'll start on this one first. So here's the armpit. Come down. And there's not a lot of details on the arm, so it's just gonna be 2 straight lines, and then just close it off. And then for the glove, looks like it's got some large gloves, so we'll extend the line here. Just come down. And then now let's draw in the thumb. Come down, just hook. Draw a little line. Here's the back of the hand. And then now for the fingers, just continue this, curl up, just round it out and just connect to the top. Alright, and then for the other fingers, I'm just going to draw a little bump here, just for the tip. And let's draw in one line here just to finish up the glove. Okay, so now let's draw on the other side. So the arm's pretty much the same. Just come down, you can use the other side for reference. Close it off. I'm going to extend it slightly. Again, just come down slightly first. And then on this side here, just curl. That's going to be a thumb, and then I know this part's a little bit strange. Draw a curve going up this way. Okay, so this is going to be the beginning of the crowbar. So from these 2 points right here, you can come out straight first. Now we're going to turn it. So hook this one and then just follow this curve on the outside. And then right on the tip here, I'm just going to add a little angle. Okay, so that's the crowbar, and then here, just continue down right behind the crowbar, and I'm going to loop it around here. And then now for the back of the crowbar, continue with this line, just go back and then just round it out. Okay, and then same detail here, just one little line and we'll be done. And that is it for this very strange looking Scary Larry. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.